So the oil filter's on the side here. Two 8mm bolts. There's a seal around there you might need to replace, especially if yours is leaking oil. There's your filter. I'll use one of these magnets. Powerful magnet, you just clip it on and pull it out, and that's your cartridge. Really easy to do. You have to locate it down, it fits on its own little seat thing at the bottom. And obviously just put your cap back on. Make sure it's seated properly though. That is it. So when you put the oil back in, they ain't really got a dipstick. They've got this like sight glass here, minimum, maximum marks. Make sure you try and get it in between them two, obviously. If you go too high, you lose power. I've done that before in the past when I was younger. Put too much oil in and you get no power out your engine. And if you go too low, obviously you risk seizing your engine, so keep an eye on that level all the time.